What about Blue? Come on, Blue. Okay, I'm just going to be right here. I'm going right here.
Okay.
Hi, everybody. I'm Camden. Today we'll open Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom toys.
Wow, we have a lot of Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom toys. So this is Lockwood, Battle Owen.
And Wheatly, the bad guy.
Wheatley, the bad guy.
And the big Gyrosphere.
Gyrosphere blast vehicle. It launches.
A big Gyrosphere.
And lastly,
the Endo. We call the big raptor, the big dinosaur. We call it the Indoraptor.
Indoraptor. So cool.
Yeah, and so on the back, so you need Owen and the Gyrosphere and
So look, this is what the back of the box looks like. The Indoraptor. Whoa, look at that. So scary. It can go.
Do you want to see in front? You see it?
Show us the front. Ooh. It's ultra poseable. Let's open it up.
First, we're going to open the Indoraptor. Camden Saurus. Opening a dangerous creature.
Careful with the scissors, son.
Yeah, I am Earthquaker. Oh, you do it. I'm not scissors anymore.
Okay.
So your scissors. I changed my mind. Be really careful with the toy.
You don't want to cut him.
Yeah. Yeah. And we start over and over again.
Is that it? Oh, there's one by his tail.
Watch this, everyone.
Look at his scary face. So you gonna do some push-ups? My, what a long tail you have.
I'm singing the song.
Ooh. Yes, look at this. It can move its arms.
Yeah, it can because it's a long dinosaur.
See? What about its head? Ooh, it can move its head side to side.
It can close its mouth.
It closes its mouth.
We call it the Indoraptor.
See, what about its tail? Its tails can move.
And we have more.
Ooh, it has like these quills.
They're called hair.
Oh, is that its feathers?
Yeah.
And this nice, very shiny gold streak. Or what else? Maybe it can also, oh, its leg. It broke its leg. Oh no, it can stand up on 2 legs.
And you know, it's Camden. Let me show it. Do you see it? It's right here. You can scan it. And you can scan your phone or your tablet. See?
Oh, this is an awesome toy. It's so cool, so scary. It's like you have a mini Indoraptor in the house. Rah! Endo, you're gonna sit here while we open the other toys.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, it kind of matches your shirt.
What's that? The Indoraptor. What's a dinosaur shirt?
Okay, what are we gonna open next?
The big guy.
Oh my goodness, look at this truck. This is a Gyrosphere blast vehicle.
And you see, you can buy some toys.
Okay.
So you can.
Okay, we can put Blue in there. And there's Rexy.
And you know what? The Morphina, and the Green Raptor, and the Dilophosaurus, and the Gallimimus.
And of course, Blue.
Do we have Blue?
Let's see. So you press the button here and then it'll launch it out. Okay, we're gonna try that out.
Yeah. In 3, 2, 1, go!
That is pretty neat. And it has a seat for somebody to go inside.
And there's a box on it. It's not real. No, it's right here. And let's open it up. It's great. I count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is that a stick?
Feels good.
That looks like a stick. This gun that he uses.
Hey, this gun goes inside here.
Okay, good idea.
Got it. And 3, 2, 1.
Wobbly, wobbly.
Wobbly, wobbly.
Like a cat.
The cat. You'll find some dinosaurs here.
Oh. We have a Triceratops from one of our mystery bags. And a Stiggy.
And the Stiggy Mola.
The Stigmoloch. So I opened Wheatly. Here he is. He comes with his weapon. And then he comes with his carrying case. And then when you open it up, you see all the dinosaur teeth that he's collected. And the gun goes inside here.
Where's the teeth he collected?
Right there.
Where? Yeah, he got it from the Stegosaurus.
You put the gun in like this. Just like that. And you close it up. Kind of hard to close. And then he wears it.
Blue's right here so she doesn't take it away. Pretend the Indoraptor's trying to eat the Dominus. Look at it. Look at it. He just stepped on his legs. Eating him.
Oh no.
And Wheatly's going to ride on his tail.
Wheatly's gonna ride the Indoraptor's tail.
Yeah. Yeah. My treasure.
Oh no, they got Blue.
Go, go.
And the Indoraptor's eating a baby Indominus. Help! Somebody help!
I will save you from Wheatly. Try his head off. Ah!
That's what happened in the movie.
He ate his arm off. Now the Indoraptor is going to eat Blue and Orange.
Oh no! Who's gonna stop the Indoraptor then?
These dinosaurs will help too. They get to fight the Indoraptor. They're playing the game called Hide and Catch Me If You Can.
So we got Stiggy. We got Triceratops, Stiggy, and Rexy. I like Rexy's color. And the Indominus Rex.
So they're all going to come in 1, 2, 3, and when the singing note comes down, and they're going to be crazy. They're going to eat everything on the
Oh, Indominus fell down.
Well, the guns are up right here.
Okay.
And Blue's gonna help too.
I thought Blue and Indoraptor is gonna battle.
All of the dinosaurs understand. Oh, and now we're gonna fight. he said, everything no. They're hiding right here.
Oh, they're hiding behind the truck.
Yeah.
It's like,
So don't you go down.
ow, ow, ow. I'm eating my lunch. Ow, ow, ow.
Now go.
Whoa.
Ah.
Biting my tail. He's biting my tail, but I can't see it because it's invisible. And here's the signal light. Pow.
What's in my tail?
I am very strong. Boom, boom,
Hey, take this.
boom.
Hey, take this.
Ah, they're fighting in the air. Whoa, an ankylosaur.
And which kind of dinosaur is this one?
Ceratosaurus.
Then
Let's fight. Ooh. Yeah.
I'll go fight him. There's nothing to fight him. That's it. We will get him.
Oh, he got caught.
No, he's inside here getting warm. And he wants to go inside here and be with
Oh, he
me.
fits.
And now he's a good guy.
Ceratosaurus is a good dinosaur?
Yeah.
Get the Indoraptor.
Hey. I can grow my teeth back. That's good.
Oh, he's
No.
gonna grow his teeth back.
Yeah, because he's the villain dinosaur.
So the villain dinosaur can grow its teeth back.
Yeah.
Oh, it grew back really fast.
Can you help me put O inside? And the lava hits butt and it'll be I said, ow my butt! Oh no, it's red! It's red! Go, let's go, Come on, let's go!
How about Owen?
Owen's going to come too.
The Indoraptor is down.
But not for long.
Well, how do you get up so fast?
Because we had the technology and he growed him teeth back and his tail back and his head back. Retreat. Let's go. Now let's go. We need to figure out how to get it. Now let's go. Let's go.
Dominus is just holding on by its tail.
Oh, there were rockets there.
You got blasted off?
And he's symmetry. He's dead because the Indoraptor had his teeth. And the lava's coming fast. Really fast.
The lava. Oh no, hurry. Get inside, everybody. What about Ankylosaur?
He's right here. He's right
It's like, make room, Ceratosaurus.
Okay. Let's go.
Dinosaurs on the truck.
What do I know? What am I gonna? What about Blue? Come on, Blue. Okay, I'm just going to be right here. Right here.
Make room? Okay. Okay. And off they go.
But what? But the T-Rex are here. We have to go to the shirt room. Okay.
Bye-bye. Gosh, oh no, that was a terrible accident. Looks like he's catching a ride.
Yeah. And Blue's right here, just looking at him. He said, cool. You tired right here? Yeah, just and there's a rocket there. Oh, good. Good right here.
Why is the Indoraptor on there?
Because he wants to be right there. And he has the bag right up here. And the dome is right under his butt. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.